puppies. Come on, Rudy, Chester, Dolly, come here. Hurry, hurry. Hey, go up there. Go up here. Hey, Chester, come up here. Chester, up here, buddy. Come up here. Chester, come up here. You good boy. Hey. Hey, guys. It's April's birthday, and she was supposed to go to a comedian's concert, and she wasn't able to do it. So I thought I would tell some jokes. And you know, she loves dogs, so I'm going to tell dog jokes. But I thought, who better to listen to than you guys? So I want you to let me know if they're any good or not before I send them to her, okay? So here's my first joke. What do dogs eat for breakfast? Poached eggs. Didn't think it was funny? Okay, let me try this one. What does a dog and a cell phone have in common? They both have caller ID. You know, caller ID. You know, dog, you got that collar there. Hey! I didn't think it was that bad. Okay. Well, why doesn't anyone want to work for a dog? Because they hound their employees. Hey, that's pretty good, don't you think, huh? Okay, this one's good. What did the hungry Dalmatian say after it ate lunch? Wow, that really hit the spots. Yeah, spots, you get it? Dalmatian, spots. What do you call a dog magician? A labracadabrador. Labracadabrador. What do you call a dog that's got a surround sound system? A subwoofer. Woof, woofer, you know. Yeah? No? Okay, let's try it. Why was the dog such a good storyteller? Got any idea? Well, because he knows how to pause for dramatic effect. Do I have to explain these to you? Well, maybe. Why did the dog walk into a saloon? He was there hunting the guy that shot his paw. Yeah. You know, westerns, saloons, doors, and shot his paw. Okay, what do you call a wild dog that meditates? A werewolf. Yeah, that's good, wasn't it? Aware? Meditation? Yeah. Okay, you're gonna like this one. What do you get when you cross a sheepdog with a rose? A cauliflower. Collie, Lassie, you know. What is it, girl? Okay. Why do dogs love conjunctions? 'Cause they just love butts. You gotta say that's funny. You dogs, you know what I'm talking about, right? I mean, you know, you're always snipping, you know. Oh, really? Okay, well, what do you get if you cross a racing dog with a bumblebee? A greyhound buzz. Well, surely you'll know this one. Who is a dog's favorite comedian? Groucho Marx? Groucho Marx? I'll tell you, that's another story. Okay. You're gonna laugh at this one. You're gonna laugh at this one, all right? Unlike the others, you're gonna laugh at this one. What do you get when you cross a cocker spaniel, a poodle, and a rooster? A cocker poodle doo. Cocker poodle doo. Boy, y'all are tough. All right, guys, this is my last one. What do you get when you cross a dog with a calculator? A friend you can always count on. Well, April, I hope you enjoyed the comedy routine, at least more than the dogs did. You guys, just keep on sleeping. Love ya.